Hi guys, today we talk about ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra. It's launched on December 2023. The dimensions of Z60 Ultra: height 6.46 inch, width 3.01 inch, thickness 8.8 mm. The weight is 246 grams. The build: front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of Z60 Ultra. It comes with AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.8 inch with 89.1% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1116 by 2480 pixels with 400 ppi density. The refresh rate is 120Hz with 1500 nits peak of brightness. The screen protection of the Z60 Ultra is Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Let's talk about platform. It comes with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with octa-core Cortex-X4 CPU. And the GPU is Adreno 750. The memory of Nubia Z60 Ultra is 8, 12, 16 and 24 gigs of RAM and 256, 512 gigs and 1 TB of ROM. No SD card, no nano memory card port in this mobile. The camera setup of Nubia Z60 Ultra, it comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto with 3.3x optical zoom, and it's record 8K 30fps video with main cameras and 16 megapixel selfie camera under display, and it records 1080p 30fps video record with selfie camera. The battery backup, it comes with 6000 mAh battery with 80 watt fast wired charging. No wireless charging, no reverse charging in this mobile. The common and the features, it says Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, IP68 dust and water resistant, infrared port, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, stereo speakers, USB Type-C, NFC, UFS 4.0, and the price of ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra is $799.